We lost our dog Dylan, who was a boxer, on the 30th of June 2015. Before I'd even managed to get my head around the fact he had a terminal illness, he passed away. So I was in complete shock. I was completely traumatised. After Dylan had died, I knew straight away that we wanted to bring his body back with us because we wanted to bury him. The vet said we could have him out for a few days and then we'd need to think about freezing him. So we had him out on his bed for a couple of days. During that time, I was thinking, shall I get him stuffed? What shall I do? I was just in complete shock. And that was when I remembered someone else in the UK had had their dog cloned while the dog was alive. So I called So On Biotech, told them the situation and just said, is there anything you can do? And they said, but we can do what we do to the cells, make them grow in number and then freeze them until you're ready to do the clone, or they can just stay there if you don't decide to go ahead with it. We were meant to refrigerate Dylan and take the cells and get the cells to them in South Korea within 5 days.
We had to go to our local, to the Boots store to get all the vials and instruments we needed to get the cells.
We had to sterilise all our kitchen and lay him out, sterilise all the areas, shave his fur and basically follow the instructions using this biopsy tool to take some skin samples. And then we got an email saying that the situation of the cells is somewhat complicated. They seem to have attached but they're not growing. We need to leave it a few more weeks, and then weeks and weeks just seemed to be going by, and then we got this one saying, oh, they started to grow. Because Dylan was like such a special case and it was a scientific breakthrough, never been done before, and I guess we just kind of felt like it was meant to be. We were like, how is this even possible? Like, it's a proper miracle. So we went to South Korea for the birth. It was really surreal, wasn't it?
Yeah, emotional.
Richard came in the room and said, oh my God, he looks just like Dylan. And I was just in shock at this point. I was just staring at this puppy but not really thinking anything. And it was only when you said that I thought, God, it's got all the markings in the same places. It's like a few minutes old and already you can tell it looks like Dylan. I think I was expecting them to come out looking younger and not as formed for some reason. Being part of this scientific breakthrough is like, you know, once in a lifetime.